Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today, all my beginners, I'm gonna teach y'all how to get 360 waves, alright? 2021. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, there's a couple of things I'm gonna need you to do when you're waving. All my beginners, man. I'm not talking about advanced wavers. I'm not talking about elite, flawless wavers. They already know this stuff. These are the secrets, the things you need to do in order to become elite wavers, alright? So first thing I'm gonna say is you have to wolf, okay? When you wolf, you hit your curl length, then your hair will start to curl up. It will start to wave up to the way that you want it to. It will start to be more defined, alright? The more hair you have, the more defined your waves are. Wolfing is very important when it comes to waving. So all my beginners, make sure that you wolf. I know it might sound scary. I know you might look crazy when you're wolfing, but it's not that scary, all right? You could get tapers, you could get shape ups every 2 weeks. You just don't cut the top off, because the more hair you have, the wavier it gets. And for a lot of you that's asking how long should you wolf for about 6 weeks. And if you want to get a little bold with it, go to 8 weeks. And if you want to get a little crazy with it, go to 10 weeks. All right, but 6 weeks is what I recommend. All right, next up for all my beginners, you're gonna need 3 types of brushes, okay? Oh yeah, and of course you're gonna need a mirror. Definitely need a mirror. You can't brush without a mirror. But for this video, I'm gonna use my watch. So yeah, a hard brush is a must-have when you're in your 8 to 10 weeks wolf. Right now, I'm currently like 5 weeks, I believe 4 or 5 weeks in my wolf stage. So a hard brush is a little difficult for me to use right now, but this is my medium brush that I'm using. Now I can tell this is a medium brush because I'm brushing my hair like it's nothing. But yeah guys, like I always say, a medium brush is like an overall brush. You could brush with a medium brush when you're wolfing. You could brush with a medium brush after a fresh cut. You could brush with a medium brush, medium wolf session, you feel me? A medium brush is like an overall type of brush you can use for anything. Now when it comes to combing, it's very important to comb before a brush session, because the comb actually lifts the hair off the scalp, and you need the hair to be lifted off the scalp in order to brush down to the roots and everything with that brush. So combing 5 minutes every day before a brush session, or every other day before a brush session, will really be beneficial to your routine, to your process, to your wave journey overall. So don't forget to comb, guys. Now like I was saying, this is a hard brush, all right? I don't advise you to use a hard brush if you don't have enough hair, because it hurts. It hurts. So don't use a hard brush unless your hair is ready to use it. So the 2 main brushes you will need is a medium brush and a soft brush. The hard brush comes in when you're about 8 to 10 weeks wolfing. Now I'm just going in with the soft brush. Soft brush, all it does is it lays your hair down. After you comb your hair out, you lift it off the scalp, and you go in with a medium brush. Before you finish up, you always have to go in with your soft brush. The soft brush, even though it's not pulling your hair to help you progress it, it's doing something very important, which is laying your hair down. And that's the most important part of having waves, is to learn how to lay it down, because waves are just lay down curls. If you know how to lay down your hair, your waves will look its best at all times. On to the next, we need products. Products helps add shine to your hair, help keeps your hair hydrated, help keeps your hair moist, okay? So products, make sure that your scalp is not dry and your hair don't look all dry, all right? It helps keep your hair looking healthy and hydrated. Now of course, when you put in products, you're gonna have to wash them out, because sometimes the products build up over the week. After the products build up in your hair throughout the week, you have to wash it out with your shampoo. Everyone knows that the shampoo dries out your scalp of its natural oils, so you have to go in with the shampoo, and then you have to back that up with the conditioner. For my low porosity hair wavers, we have to keep our hair moist by adding all that moisture back in with the conditioner and leaving that in for 30-35 minutes, and then rinsing it out with warm water. Keep the pores open, and going in with the leave-in conditioners by 26 King Wavy, link in my description. Y'all go get that, use discount code JUICE15, you get 15% off. But yeah, washing your hair is very important, and conditioning is very important to adding the moisture back in after it's been stripped out by the shampoo. And guys, of course, last but not least, to always have your do-rag on when you go to sleep. You may not have it on when you wake up, but as soon as you lay down, make sure to have that do-rag on your head to protect it from frizzing up while you sleep, to protect it from lifting up, to protect it to protect yourself from losing progress after that brush session you did the night before or earlier. All right, so always go to sleep with your do-rag on. You don't always have to have it on 24/7, but going to sleep with it on is very important. Okay, you guys, that is basically all you need, you know, to get waves in 2021. It's not that hard, you feel me? It's not that difficult. And you do these every single day and just stay consistent with it, you'll become more experienced. Everything will become a habit, and then with all that experience, you get better over time. And then when you become flawless, you go out and teach others, like I'm doing right now. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. Be out of here. Peace.